we came here long back in 2015 or 16. बहुत ज़्यादा विंडी है और बारिश हो रही है.
Who need jacket? Who need jacket?
I want jacket. It's so cold. पिक्चर क्लिक करानी होती है, मैं जैकेट हटा देती हूँ और फिर मुझे बहुत ठंड लगती है, फिर मैं जैकेट पहन लेती हूँ. हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू शर्मा फैमिली यूएसए व्लॉग. अगर आप हमारे व्लॉग देखते हैं तो आपको पता ही होगा कि हम लोग आए हुए हैं अपने बे एरिया ट्रिप पर और आज हमने चेक इन किया है मॉन्ट्रे और अर्ली मॉर्निंग हम गए थे संकट मोचन हनुमान जी के टेम्पल. उसका व्लॉग आप ऑलरेडी देख चुके हैं और अभी हम आपको घुमाने वाले हैं 17 mile drive. 17 mile drive is all about beautiful nature stops. So it's not about any destination, it's about a journey. तो अभी आपको हम लेके चलते हैं beautiful nature ride पर हमारे साथ. तो आइए, let's go. So this is the entrance for 17 mile drive. Ticket counter. Hi.
17 mile drive?
Yes.
1252.
यहाँ पर हमको मिल गया है गाइड मैप और इसी अकॉर्डिंग हम अपने पॉइंट्स कवर करेंगे.
So 17 mile drive start from here. We are at the Pacific Grove gate. हमने वहाँ से एंट्री किया. Then we can go this side. These are the points. The road go from all the way here to come back here. Yeah, like that.
So हम लोग सारे पॉइंट्स नहीं करेंगे. टोटल 17 पॉइंट्स हैं.
Yeah,
So
ना?
हम लोग जो मेन पॉइंट है वो करेंगे.
So,
And we can give you overview also because we came here long back in 2015 or 16. तब तो अविश था ही नहीं हमारी लाइफ में. लाइक जब हम लोग रिसेंटली मूव हुए थे इंडिया से यूएस कैलिफोर्निया, हम लोग बे एरिया रहते थे, तो तब हम लोग आए थे अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ.
so these are the numbers. First,
So this is the numbers.
number 3. So number 1 is here. Number 1 and 2 here. But we can start from 3. Spanish Bay Beach. Then all the way there.
Okay, this
Let's
is
go.
the inn at Spanish Bay. And आज रेनी डे. मॉर्निंग में हम लोग टेम्पल गए, तब भी बारिश थी और अभी भी हम आए यहाँ पर भी बारिश हो रही है. थोड़े टाइम से बहुत ज़्यादा गर्मी हो गई थी और अब स्टार्ट हो गया हमारा
17 mile drive.
रेनी. लास्ट टाइम वी केम इन लाइक दिसंबर और जनवरी का मंथ था. 2015 था फिर तो.
Yeah.
तो 2015 में हम लोग आए थे दिसंबर, तब भी बहुत ठंडी थी. सो वी आर एट स्पेनिश बे. पॉइंट नंबर 1.
Spanish Bay.
Avish, wear your jacket please. It's so cold outside. Look at the waves. Tides are so high.
Look at the eagles.
बहुत ज़्यादा विंडी है और बारिश हो रही है. अभी क्या करें, 17 माइल ड्राइव तो इट्स ऑल आउटडोर. कुछ कर भी नहीं सकते हो.
क्या
कवर योर हेड.
Pacific Bay.
दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट. वैसे
Spanish Bay.
मैप में दिस इज नंबर 3.
नंबर 3. बट यहाँ पर उधर से आएंगे ना, पैसिफिक ग्रोव गेट से आएंगे ना, तो दिस इज द फर्स्ट वन.
एंड लुक एट द पीपल, दे आर प्लेइंग सॉकर.
ओके, लेट्स गो टू द नेक्स्ट वन.
ये था स्पेनिश बे. ये था स्पेनिश बे बीच. And weather is not favorable. It's too cold and windy.
It's not cold. It's only windy.
ओह, कोल्ड भी है बेटा.
It's just cold and windy.
No, it's not.
And moving towards next point.
Yes, we are.
And this one is Spanish Bay Vista Point.
It's the second.
तो वो था Spanish Bay Beach और इससे थोड़ा सा आगे आके ये है Spanish Bay Vista Point. Yes. ओ भाई. This one is Restless Sea, point number 4.
Let's get out.
But for us is point number 3 because we started from the other side, I think that's why. But this is the point number 4 according to the map. And this is how.
Point Jole.
And next point point जो
The point was so near.
yeah they are so near because they are total 17 points. That's why it's called 17 miles. At this point, let me go out from the car. Still it's raining.
Tsunami hazard zone. अच्छा लग रहा है वैसे देखने में.
Beautiful scene.
And this is
Point.
point 5. Number 5 point जो. Come on. और इधर चल रहा है गोल्फ.
People are playing golf here. And this is so beautiful.
Point जो.
And यहाँ हमें लग रही है बहुत ज़्यादा ठंड.
How about you, Avish?
Hey, look, I found the
Yeah, bird is there.
And I wish like cold and windy places. And बारिश हो रही है. It's raining. It's raining.
एक ये है छोटू सा पॉइंट. I don't know what that is.
एक और पॉइंट आ गया है.
नहीं, बट ये ऐसे ही है. It's just in it's not in the stops, but it's
And after this, we are going towards to China Rock. That is China Rock is the point.
this one is China Rock.
China Rock.
China Rock. काफी अच्छा व्यू है.
Yes!
कम ये लो. किसको चाहिए जैकेट? किसको चाहिए? Who need jacket? Who need jacket?
I want jacket. It's so cold. The next point is
Boardwalk.
Oh yeah, next point is 6, 7 bird rock. Oh,
अभी हम जा रहे हैं बर्ड रॉक पॉइंट के लिए. और इसके बीच में ये हमें मिला area. You can sit down here, enjoy your meal. और हमने यहाँ पर पिकनिक एरिया में बैठ के अपना खाना एंजॉय किया था.
यहाँ पे चल रहा है मून रूफ का फोटो सेशन है स्टाइल में. Point number 7.
See, you know why it's called Bird Rock?
It is water boats.
No. Yes, of course. Yes, you are right.
7
Bird Rock. There's a rock.
So that's the rock. So many birds over there.
That's Bird Rock.
You see? So many birds.
Even on those rocks.
Yeah, those are that's why it's called Bird Rock.
ठंड लग रही है, बारिश हो रही है. पिक्चर क्लिक करानी होती है, मैं जैकेट हटा देती हूँ और फिर मुझे बहुत डर लगती है, फिर मैं जैकेट पहन लेती हूँ.
अभी भी बारिश हो रही है.
Because this is a photogenic
Place,
place, so that's why I wore dress.
Dress,
तो मेरे को पता था ठंड होगी, मैं ऊपर से जैकेट पहन लूँगी, but I was not
Sure about the place, huh?
I was not
Great Seal Rock.
Seal Rock.
I think they closed the stairs. Go down. Seal Rock overlook.
Who is it?
What is this point?
No.
Seal Rock overlook. I think seals are over there.
No?
I don't see any seals.
हम लोग उधर गए थे, वो बर्ड रॉक था और ये है
Seal.
सील रॉक।
But I don't see any seal.
सील है ना वहाँ पे।
No.
You have to zoom it for.
I think those are the only birds. I don't see any seals. No. I don't see any seals.
I think it's out there.
Because it's raining, maybe they are sleeping somewhere else. And look at these flowers, they always look so beautiful.
So our next point is Avish.
Greensill Beach overlook.
Yay! And यहाँ से आता है beautiful beach का view. I think it's called Fanshell Beach, as name says, right? काफी अच्छा beautiful है.
I can't even see anything. Oh, wait a minute.
Come on. Let's see there. Come on. Come on. Don't throw the rock.
I don't know.
Okay, let's see कहाँ जाता है. How far you can throw? 1, 2, and it hit the rock. Another one. Come on, Avish.
I can try again.
Yes.
Hey, let's see how much I can throw again.
Okay. 1, 2, and oh! Ah, come on.
Let's try with another one. Yes, how about this one?
Let me try. 2, 1, 2, and 3. Oh! I think it.
Oh, it did, it did.
I think it did, right?
I saw it.
And see.
Oh! Oh! Can I try? Can I try? Oh, can I try? Oh, I found it.
Okay. Come here. At the edge. 1, 2, 3, and I think it landed there. Come on.
Oh, yes.
कितने different trees है यहाँ पर ये।
Me and Daddy had a walk going on. You go with Theo. That's what I'm doing now. What up, What up, What up, What up,
Next point is Cypress Point. Look out.
Point number 10. थोड़ी बारिश रुकी है, I think अभी।
अभी ठीक है.
This is Cypress Point, look out.
अभी covered है फिर बनना. हाँ.
I know.
There is no seals.
Yes, you will.
Let's see there. Come on.
There is no seal.
No seals today.
सील हमने इतने सैंडियागो में सील देख लिए ना।
Yeah.
सब सैंडियागो गए हैं घूमने।
I think वो सब अपना आराम कर
स्प्रिंग
रहे
ब्रेक
हैं.
में।
I think seals are on spring break today,
Yes.
right? This week.
They are in San Diego. Let's go to the next point. This is point number 11, Croker Grove.
I don't know. I think.
है trees and all.
So this one is a lawn cypress. That's what it's called. And the more than 250 years, the word famous lawn cypress has braved the element atop its rocky pedestal overlooking the Pacific Ocean. That is the one.
I thought it's a round cycle.
Look on.
Point number 13, Ghost Tree.
Pescadero Point. Ghost tree.
Where is the ghost tree?
Is this one? I don't know.
अभी लिखा dangerous area, keep out.
Is this the one? Ghost tree? No, I don't think. Or that side.
On this side.
Okay, maybe that side. Come on.
Ghost Tree Point is unique stop for spooky sun bleach sightseeing.
ये सब है. I think these are the ghost trees.
Yeah. We are at point number 14, Pebble Beach
Visitor center.
Visitor Center.
Rolex.
Rolex Pebble Beach. Pebble Beach, Rolex, established 1919.
So entrance to Pebble Beach, visitor center, public restroom. Come on. Oh, this one is Monterey. See, Avish?
Abhish, look.
17-mile drive. Map. See, we started from here, right? Pacific Grove Gate. And we here number 3, Spanish Bay, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I think we are here right now.
Golf के. See, this one is called
States Golf.
The
Oh, yeah,
women-
Golf Association क्या है? Golf club है ना यहाँ पे? Yeah. Nice. Wow. Oh, see, oh, this is the Lone Cypress, huh?
and this is the last point.
Not last. From this side, this is last. Yeah.
From
17.
this is the last point, Ford Meadow. The point number 17 miles, 17 points. But अभी हमारा first and second बचा है. So we did all the points. But हमारा जो first and second बचा है
This is the meadow ये अपना दिया है.
Yeah, it's a meadow. जैसे हवाई में नहीं था meadow.
नहीं वहाँ पे था ना Yosemite.
This is the meadow. और अभी हमारा पॉइंट नंबर 1 and 2 बचा है, वो हम वो करेंगे.
This is the second point. Huckleberry Hill.
It's not the Dumbos, is this?
It's just the bench.
I thought it was Dumbos.
Huckleberry Hill. So it's a hill view. Nothing fancy, but the fancy is the house. You see Avis, the house?
Santa Cruz. And even
Take a T-top level of Huckleberry Hill where you can see Santa Cruz in the distance. Oh, Santa Cruz दिखता है, अभी तो कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है. Maybe.
Fog.
Yeah. Let's go. So we are reaching to the point number 1, but technically our last point.
Because we started from the other way.
We started from point number 3. Point number 1. But our last point. Shepherd's Mall.
See, हमें यहाँ पर क्या दिखा है? There are deers. There are 2 deers.
A few hours later.
Toasted pineapple
Yeah.
with marshmallow.
Marshmallow kind. Wow. Canary Row.
तो हम लोग आ गए थे यहाँ पर अभी डाउनटाउन में मॉन्ट्री कैनिंग कंपनी, और ये है कैनरी रो कंपनी. पेबल बीच आउटलेट है यहाँ पर. थोड़ा हैपनिंग सा प्लेस है. फाउंटेन है, आई थिंक. See, kids are having fun. पास्ता, सी फूड, पिज़्ज़ा, और यहाँ से आ रहा है ब्यूटीफुल वे. पूरा मॉन्ट्री ही ब्यूटीफुल है एक्चुअली.
No, I don't have.
See,
No, I don't have.
International Bazaar. Oh my God, look at this. So colorful and beautiful. यहाँ पे थोड़ा पार्किंग का प्रॉब्लम है, हमें समझ नहीं आ रहा है. हमने स्ट्रीट पार्किंग की है.